We have long understood that the era of standardization has passed. To be successful today in a B2B market requires creating a value added and meaningful connection with the customer, understanding their market, what drives their business, and the goals they're aiming for. It is easy to speak of localization, but to truly implement it in the Middle East and Africa, which constitute more than 70 countries, is quite a feat. Adding to that market know-how, expertise in technology, and in seeing where opportunities lie. That solicits a panel of experts, but also an intent, a common mission to contribute to others' success. This drive is behind the foundation of Trident Technology Services in 2018. A unique business model in this part of the world, operating as a medium between global manufacturers, customers, and partners in the Middle East and Africa. We are not the standard sales representative. We are a team of sales, marketers, technical and channel development experts bent on one vision, that of developing business by creating superior services and building long-term relationships. Throughout these years, we continue to grow and scale stronger in business and in people, overcoming legal, geo-economic, and social complexity and developing the right business model. We started with a team of 5. And today, we're 34. We started with one office in Egypt. Today, we have 3 other offices in Qatar, United Arab Emirates, and Saudi Arabia. We started with a strong presence in 3 countries. Today, we cover more than 20 countries. Yes, we are growing fast, and we will continue to invest for further growth. We are fearless. It is our commitment to ourselves, to the market, and to the vendors we represent. We have a clear vision and solid plan to ensure we serve you effectively with excellence, value, and speed. For we believe this is how businesses are shaped, and this is how businesses sustain themselves and succeed.